Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight's episode is pre-recorded uli because, let's be honest, life as a mom is non-stop. But even when it's busy, we still deserve a quick coffee break and a conversation that could change our future. So you know that feeling na parang you're always catching up with work, bills, the kids' needs, and your income feels like it's playing hide and seek. What if I told you financial freedom isn't about luck? It's a decision. And yes, it's a decision that moms like us can make even if life feels messy right now. So I used to think that money success was only for the lucky ones, yung may mga connections, came from a rich family, or have a huge salary. So ako, I was just tired, stressed. Most days I felt like I was an autopilot, wake up, work, come home, pay bills, sleep, and then ulit-ulit, repeat. Then one night after thinking about it, I just sat down and finally asked myself, is this really it? Is this the life I'm going to live? My dreams felt so far from my reality. I wasn't happy with my job. My income was not enough. I felt insecure about the future. And for the longest time, I told myself, wala naman kasi akong choice. Until I realized I did have a choice. I could learn something new. I could build something on the side. I could choose to fight for the better future for my kids. So I started small. I ventured into a digital business kahit wala akong experience. I learned, I tried, I even failed, but I tried again. And then my first small win came, my first online sale. It wasn't malaki, but my gosh, it was a huge confidence bomb. That's when I saw the biggest truth. Financial freedom isn't for the lucky, it's for the brave. For moms who decide their dreams are worth fighting for. For moms who take small steps even when they are busy, even when they are scared. And now I have multiple income streams growing for my family's future. It's not perfect, but I'm finally progressing. So if no one have told you this lately, let me be the one. You are allowed to want more. You are allowed to build more. You are allowed to change your story starting today. It all begins with one brave decision. So if you're tired of just surviving, if you're ready to build something for yourself, then message me or comment choice below. I will share with you how you can start your own online business stream even while working and being a mom. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye bye.